Kitkupar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kitkupar University, Meghalaya.
The Grand Final juga World Champions of Performing Arts Arjak Punriu, kabalalong haka art putrik unaitung Arjak Punriu, ha International Theater, Nevada, Las Vegas, hakari Amerika. Kabla sakhi bu kaitor ponam nak jala Meghalaya jokari India, Kitkupar Nong stage ubasang basa aks Nong Kenshi Bangla jok East and West Castle Hills District, bola yo yak top 5 medal, hadin bola yo banrung siya top 5 haka World Championship of Performing Arts Arjak Punriu. Kiri beliau banrung siya top 5 na padengin report li kiri. Lawan musim ta haka World Championships of Performing Arts Arjak Punriu kilong ke India, USA, Philippines, UAE bahkan Norway. Hagan ni Grand Final legit tang iway inong job na penengi top 5. Haga jing kop kalba pensyok biet jik pajba kadu kadwai ya kanam Grand Champion Vocalist of the World. Lara daga Norway na Philippines. Kinong paniat jo kani karasan ya kun glapan banaru bayang medal ceremony na kamatagi vocal kategori pop, jazz, rock bat kiway and sam haka arpo arterik unaitung Ajak Punriu kapor shib jish tang menstep hakapor India.
To our 2026 Senior Grand Champion Vocalist of the World.
India!
From the Philippines,
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.